Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp notifications in the Honor 70 Lite. So at the start, if you don't see your WhatsApp notifications, always check that you have the DND mode deactivated. So open the top menu, expand it, and look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Now be sure that you have this feature deactivated, like here. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon. Oh, sorry, not on this device. We have to open the settings. Then go to the apps and choose apps again. Now we're going to WhatsApp. Open it and we're gonna start from the permissions. Now here make sure that you have the SMS in the allowed. After that, go to the notifications. Of course you have to turn it on and turn on the bubbles. You can also go to the more settings. Now look that you have activated the high priority notifications in this place and here. After that, go to the storage. This is the next step. So now we have to open the data usage and turn on the mobile data, Wi-Fi, background data, roaming data, all of them. In mobile data, exactly same. After that, go to the storage and clear your WhatsApp app. After that, log in again to the WhatsApp application and check your notifications again. If you still don't have your notifications from the WhatsApp, open the settings, go to the system and updates, and choose the reset. Now tap on the network settings, tap on the blue button, and tap on this button again. In the next step, you can also try to update your system. So go to the software update and tap on the check for updates. If you have any, just download that, then install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.